Lamb of God versus Let's Duel. Take two. Take two because Lamb of God disconnected, but he did win the first game.
Alright, we're just gonna skip game one.
Oh,
So we're
God
signing.
damn it. I don't think I've ever heard this this music here before.
I don't know, I can't hear it. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
If I had a face cam, you could see me jamming to this.
You see what I just did, right?
No, not really. It was jamming. What happened? Oh, you got there could only be one?
And a set 3, you gotta pass. You know what's fun?
Tenki! Oh, there could only be one. Yes. I'll add the Ram. Then,
Okay.
I want to get rid of this. Good question. No, I want to get rid of this. If I get rid of that, I kind of want to... Eldritch! The golden word I'll send. Scarlet and a pop. There could only be one. Solemn Strike. I knew it. You Saku!
This is Guru.
Yeah. Oh no, I still can't do it. There can only be one really hard salvage.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
It does, doesn't it?
Look, I can't even conquista there. I can't conquista though.
Yeah. You know what's gonna really suck?
Oh. What happens if I go like this? What does Thoroughblade do? Thoroughblade. Discard card. No, I don't want to discard card. No. Ooh. Let's do some damage first. Thoroughblade, direct attack. Eldritch, direct attack. Main phase 2. Link! Shogun!
Ooh.
Nightmare Phoenix. Fuck! Oh, but look at your life points though.
The almighty
crap.
judge.
Oh, fuck. I think I'll set this. Do I want to set this or that? No. I'm glad that you disconnected the first game. Oh no. Prosperity. You've activated my track card. Imperial Order. Oh my god. Yeah,
You have to pay.
I have to get rid of Imperial. Oh fuck. No. Add him back. Summon a zombie monster. Send add special. Gains 1,000 and cannot be destroyed by your artifacts until the end of your turn. Cursed Eldland. Activate. Pay 800. Add Eldritch, a Golden Lord. Activate Eldritch. Send a Quero. Target sender. That could only be one. Oh man, do I have to pop this? Yeah, I would have to pop this. Honky Scissor. I'll just summon. If I have an Eldritch, I get the pop a face up card in the field, which is Cursed Eldland. Cursed Eldland goes to the grave. I get the dump. He already dumped him, so I'll dump Rocky Scissor. Normal summon. Zodiac Rammer. Then I will overlay for Hammer Cone.
I know more about.
No, I'm going for Drill Driver. I'm gonna attack you, Pierce. Battle. Drill Driver. Espinado attack. Finish. Who is that? Archer. Okay, yes. I would have took that loss the first game. The first take, but that was insane. That was insane. You had two gurus, it's just flipping face down, there could only be one summon limit. That was insane. You have Dragoon in here?
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Maybe I'm doing something a little crazier.
I gotta say, Nexus music is crazy. I gotta give props to the Nexus music.
Activate.
Ash. Pot of cruelty. Oh no, oh no. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Don't tell me.
Yes. No response.
Whoa, okay, I was like, what the f- oh, Fuck off.
Hey, and guess what? Oh my god, yes! Yes!
That's the term when a card effect is activated. Quick effect.
You can't target him!
I thought it was Falcon. Who brings out Dragoon with Awaking the Dragon? Who does that?
Who wants to negate on board?
You have one negate. Which means I can...
The negate that can't be targeted by Golden Lord.
Normal summon. Thoroughblade. Horrible. Battle. Horrible. Direct attack. Main phase 2. Since I attacked with the Xyz monster. First so that's 1, 2 materials. That's 1. That's 3. Because I'll activate, you'll negate, I'll activate again. That's 3. Yeah, okay. Then I'll go into
The worst
Zeus.
part is the recovery sitting on Nibiru.
Then I'll activate. And detach. You'll try to negate.
It's still gonna negate.
But then I will quick effect. Detach. Then I will set a couple mirror forces. Zenendo. No. You know what? Get that shit out of here. No.
You're disconnected again.
Fuck off.
It's all good. Just use it.
No, no, no.
No, it's
No.
all good because I had nothing left to be able to beat you.
So use the video.
So I said use. Yeah, just use the video. I had
You
nothing
keep
left to beat you.
disconnecting. Damn it. I got you
I'll
though.
give you that.
I'll take that win. I'll take that win.
It wasn't
take the
you. It's the.
I'll take the win.
Probably it's the EU.
Let's
servers.
wins. Flawless victory. Alright.
It was not flawless. It's 2-1.
Did you win the first? No, that was...
Yes, I won the first one. Remember?
No, I don't remember.
Because that was drag out game 1. That was the rubber 3.
Let me cut this video.
Yeah.
Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.